Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 25th, 2024. Beautiful morning out here this morning. Down by the new pond excavation site here. Just watching the minnows in the waterway here going back and forth in the shallows where it's warming up. Yesterday I was working over here in the side, and last night I came down here and decided I'd try to open up a path for the water to flow from another spring that's been giving me lots of troubles up here. So this is what it's still so muddy here. Dang it. But the spring comes down from the hill here, and I ended up taking out a cherry tree here yesterday, or was it a cherry? It may have been a cherry that I took out here yesterday. And then I had to put a bunch of root balls in there and then soil some of the sand from over there, the sand pile, to cover it up. But when I dug that hole out to put the root balls in, I was having a hard time keeping up with the flow of water. I made a little drainage over to that side. But I got it set, and then last night I said I'm going to come down here and dig a little path down here, make it go around alongside of the roadway which Elon's on now, to try and see if eventually this area here will be fit to drive back and forth on. I think it's going to work now. So, geez. Probably a month ago, before any of that was done, I came over here and excavated out this small little pool here and put the sand up on here. And so I've got some more clearing to do around in here. Some beautiful trees up in this area here. Well, it looks like they took another tree down yesterday. I didn't notice that one. So anyways, don't know what I'm going to do today. Pretty happy that that I got that bypass in last night, so that we've got a place for that spring to go. The other spring over at the other side over there is doing really well, and pretty happy with that. So I'd like to get more work done down here today, but I don't think I will. I think I'm going to go do some mowing up front. I'm just behind and everything, and the forecast has changed, so we may get some rain tomorrow, so I might as well try and get that done today. Lots of deer print all over in here. Every place I go to work, they follow me right in. So I do want to clear this whole area up at some point. But and I'll make a big hole for this, a hugelkultur pit right over in here someplace. I just don't want to damage the roots of any of the nice trees around. And then we'll decide if I'm going to do anything with this area over here and put another little margin in. And that poplar there is going to have to come out. That one's been dead for years, so we shall see. So don't know what's going to happen today. We'll see what happens. It's a beautiful morning. Well, it's the next day. It's August 26, 2024, and yesterday I elected to go ahead and spend the whole day mowing. I still have about another full day's worth of mowing to do, but I'm not going to do that today. I don't like all the bumpiness on our property. So, and this afternoon we've got meetings and all. So one of the things I think I'll do is I'll come down here and move this pile up to the up to the area that's low around the pond 8 area up in there. Really peaceful and nice down here in the morning. Really beautiful. And this is the area that I sculpted out, the soil that I just piled up, just a small section right here, just so we can expand on the marginal zone here. We did this area over here day before yesterday. So we got some cardinal flowers here and some other marginal plants, and I put some more over here as well in this marginal zone. And maybe I'll transplant some more. So this is quite a nice marginal zone right over in here. I'll transplant more today. We'll see what I can get accomplished. Fortunately, the water seems to be working out okay over there where I began this video yesterday, where Elon is across the other side. So that seems to be working pretty well so far. So it's draining out of there, so the excess road in there should start to dry up some. So I'll go get the Hulk now and see what we can do about moving some of this dirt, and hopefully it's firm enough that I don't do any more significant sinking in. So here we go.
There's a life all around us, just open your eyes. In the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies. I see the birds and bees dancing in the sun. Their tiny lives a part of the whole, all in one. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. In the forest, deer munching, fawns by their side. Nurtured in the wild with no place to hide. Tracks in the moonlight was here last night. A story in the footprints, nature's silent sight. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. In the forest, deer munching, fawns by their side. Nurtured in the wild with no place to hide. Tracks in the moonlight, who was here last night. A story in the footprints, nature's silent sight. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. Close your eyes, take a breath, feel the earth's embrace. There's a rhythm, a pulse in every living space. In the rustle of the leaves, in the whispering breeze, in the symphony of nature carried by the trees. So let's cherish this wonder, the life that we share. In the gardens, in the forests, it's everywhere. With open hearts and eyes, we'll see it anew. Life all around us in every shade and hue. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. There's a life all around us, just open your eyes. In the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies. In the footsteps of the night, in the morning's gentle rise. Life all around us, a gift to realize. In the heart of the land, where the fields stretch wide, nature's symphony plays, with birdsong as our guide. From the first light breaking to the dusk's embrace, I pen down these lyrics, capturing each grace. With AI as my ally, flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. I write of the mornings with the sun's gentle rise, and the evening serene under starlit skies. From the planting and tending to the harvest's yield, every moment cherished in the songs revealed. With AI as my ally, my words take flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. If I could impart what I've come to know to the younger souls as they start to grow, in the quiet of nature, in its gentle call, there's wisdom to gather for one and for all. There are songs of resilience in every seed song, of patience and nurture as they start to grow. Through the changing tides and the winds that blow, these songs of the land, they continue to grow. With AI as my ally, my words take flight. Songs of the land, from morning till night, with birds and nature's chorus, sweet and strong. Life's lessons and stories in every song. So here's to the melody that nature sings, to the rhythms of life and all living things. With AI and my lyrics, this journey I trace in the songs of the land, where beauty finds its place.
and round bone set. And tall goldenrod. Marginal plants, gotta love them. So I left Elon up there for now, but I knocked back this ridge. I'll smooth this all out and maintain this. I opened up a little channel here a little bit further back, so as the water comes down from the upper area here, it can make its way down. I think it's all coming from right up in here, but I made it go backwards. There's some. Then I'll work on this a little bit later. I think this is going to work out. Looking good.